In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find blog topics in Semrush. So, let's dive in and make the most of the next 5 minutes as we uncover the art of discovering captivating blog topics using Semrush, a powerful toolset designed to optimize your content strategy. First things first, open your favorite web browser and search for Semrush. Once you're on the Semrush website, you'll need to log in if you already have an account. And if not, don't worry. Signing up is quick and straightforward, allowing you to have access to their vast suite of tools. Upon successfully logging in, navigate to the Content Marketing section. Here, you'll want to select Topic Research, an essential step to ignite your brainstorming process. The Topic Research tool in Semrush is a treasure trove for content creation. This tool allows you to examine the website traffic of your competitors, providing insights like traffic volume, sources, and their top landing pages. Understanding these metrics gives you a clearer picture of what's trending and what your audience finds engaging. Now, it's time to enter your seed keyword. Let's say you're interested in digital marketing. By doing this, Semrush will generate an array of topic cards. Each card is packed with invaluable information, including search volume, headlines, and commonly asked questions, as well as related searches, which will help you identify angles you may not have considered. These topic cards offer different visualization options, such as Explorer, Overview, and Mind Map views. These perspectives allow you to see the data in ways that resonate with you and can reveal connections between topics you might not initially see. To narrow down your options, you can filter topics by keyword difficulty, search volume, or topic efficiency. This filtering feature is a fantastic way to prioritize your topics, ensuring you're focusing on ideas with the highest potential return. Once you've found a topic that piques your interest, save it as a favorite. This simple action lets you compile a list of future blog post ideas to explore whenever inspiration strikes. For further refinement, enter a seed keyword into the Keyword Magic tool. By exploring the All Keywords tab, you can unearth related keywords and variations. This area offers another chance to apply filters, whether broad, phrase, or exact match types, as well as questions, to zero in on keywords that promise great results. Evaluating keyword difficulty and search volume at this stage is crucial in identifying promising topics. Concluding our exploration, input your competitor's blog URL into the Domain Overview tool. By analyzing their top organic keywords, you can identify popular topics that are resonating well within your niche. Use this data to spot content gaps, areas that are underserved, and brainstorm content that fills these voids, setting you apart in your industry. And that's it. With these steps, you have everything you need to generate a wealth of blog topic ideas using Semrush. Happy writing!